To understand Mendelian disorder, we have to know mutation. What is mutation? Mutation is a sudden heritable change or alteration in the genetic material or genomes. Now, what is genome? I have already told you, it is a genetic code or it is a set of chromosomes in an organism of a cell or of a given organism. It is also called as sudden discontinuous variation in genotypes and phenotypes of an organism due to change in chromosomes or genes. So this mutation can take place either in genes or in chromosome. A sudden change. It leads to variation in DNA. That means whatever the change takes place in the first generation, it goes on or it is carried to the next generation. It leads to the variation in DNA or it leads to recombination. It can be due to any type of error or radiation or chemicals. The mutation can occur. Mutagen is the medium, whether it is radiation or chemical, it is called as mutagen, and the organism is now called as mutant. Now, mutation, it can be of two types. It can be of genetic or it can be of chromosomal. When we say genetic, then two types of mutation can be understood. One is point mutation and another is frame shift mutation. Any type of change in nucleotide sequence or DNA alteration is called as mutation. When it is at point, then only single base pair. So what are the base pairs? These are the nitrogenous base pairs. You already know about the DNA. DNA is a helical structure. It has phosphate, it has sugar, and it also has nitrogenous bases. And these nitrogenous bases are arranged in such a way so that they unite and they occur in a triplet form codon for an amino acid. For example, for glutamic acid, GAG is the arrangement and GAA is the combination or sequence. Both the sequences are for glutamic acid. Similarly, for valine, this is an amino acid. The combination can be CAA, adenine, and cytosine, or CAG, CAT, or CAC. Then, sometimes it happens any change of, if this cytosine is changed by G, then it is called as point mutation. Any one nucleotide is changed. And if it is changed, the whole codon changes, and if the whole codon changes, then the whole glutamic acid or the acid formation changes. Again, within the point mutation, we have a substitution. Substitution means G substitutes the C, then incorrect base pair is matched, is substituted by another amino acid. Just now I said glutamic acid and valine. If it is in single letter, for example, these are the valine and these are the glutamic acid, single letter, it changes. So this is called as substitution point mutation. Only one letter. Insertion, that means addition of one or other sequence base pair is inserted. That means the whole in the nucleotide chain, one sequence or one base pair is inserted newly, or it is called as deletion. One of the base pair is removed. So point mutation means only one base pair, single base pair is changed or a sequence is changed. Under this point mutation, we have substitution, insertion and deletion. Insertion, addition of one base pair. Deletion, removal of one base pair. Substitution, either of the one singular base or nitrogen base is substituted. Then we come to the second type, that is frame shift mutation. Frame shift means, as it is the name suggests, the whole frame is shifted and the reading of the codon also changes. So what is this mutation? This is the mutation in which the arrangement of number of nucleotides in a DNA sequence, which is not read by 3 codons, any insertion or deletion causes change in the reading frame due to shift. In your book it is very nicely given about the red cap and the codons which are occur in triplet. If one changes, the reading also changes. So this was the frame shift mutation, and these all takes place in the genes. When the mutation takes place in the chromosomes, then it is called as chromosomal aberration, or it changes the ploidy. And then we come to the many terms which are called as euploidy, polyploidy, aneuploidy, etc. That means it happens in changes in structure and number of chromosomes. Chromosomal mutation, 2 types, aneuploidy and euploidy. Aneuploidy means in which we have monosomy and trisomy, and euploidy is usually seen in the plants. So what happens here? The structure or number of chromosomes is added either in singular or a set. It is alteration in sequence and number of genes on chromosome. For example, number 1 is duplication. Part of chromosome is duplicated. That means more genes are present on it. Deletion, one part is deleted. Inversion, that means the whole chromatid, it is inverted and the genes are inverted in the form. Translocation, that means in non-homologous chromosome, the transfer of genes from one sister chromatid to the other takes place. These terms you will get when you do plant breeding in future. For your class 12, the most important term is, examination point of view, is mutation. What is point mutation and what is substitution mutation? Because on this substitution mutation we shall be studying sickle cell anemia. That's all for today. Go through this mutation and chromosomal aberration, because this will help you to understand the Mendelian disorders, which is very important.